I knew it. I knew Leonardo was a scam. I mean, there's no way he can be telling everyone about the market drop every day and make money on puts while the market actually goes higher. Damn, guys. To all the weak dick haters out there, I got you. I got you all on that thumbnail, didn't I? In this video, we will reveal all the secrets of making a 400% gain on puts while the market was up 400 points on October 11th, 2019. Guys, look, there's a bunch of idiots out there, especially there's like one guy that actually took the time to make a video about me saying that, hey, I watched Leonardo's video $600 to $8,000 and I think he's a scam, because that's impossible. Guys, there's a bunch of weak dick average dudes out there that just don't know nothing about trading. And guys, if these people just spend as much time as they're going around leaving nasty negative comments about other people, if they spend even just a tiny fraction of that time to actually study the 13 markets move formula, damn it, they would have known that all these gains are real and they're 100% possible for anyone that understands the system. But just like with anything else in life, okay, it takes dedication, it takes hard work, it takes hours, it takes thousands of trades to get really good at something and master some particular area of expertise. So don't expect it was easier, okay? Just make yourself better at a particular area, whether it's trading or whether it's something else. But for those of you guys out there that try to post negative stuff, or this guy that's like, it's impossible to make $600 into $8,000. Okay, number one, fuck you. You didn't even watch my video. And number two, you're too damn busy writing scam reports about all the traders out there. How in the world you would have any time left to actually trade to find out if that was possible or not? Well, clearly it's a lot easier to write shit about others than to produce your own trading ideas and share it with others. So, buddy, may the gods of trading reach you for the 13 markets move formula and change your life forever. So there's a loser out there. His name is Simon Poole. The guy used to want to get a job for me, but he got fired shortly after I gave him a chance. Now he goes out there talking shit, telling people that he left. Well, the guy never made more than $100 in his life. He made $16,000 with me for that 1 month last year. He traded with us, and after I cut him out of the chat room, and now he goes talking shit. Bottom line, guys, it's not even worth focusing on stuff like that, but I'm bringing this up only for the reason that, look, there's going to be people like that that are just not meant to be anything or anything great in life because they choose to focus on what other people are doing instead of building their own ideas. They ain't got their own ideas. They ain't got nothing. I mean, this dude is like 60 years old and he's got nothing to show for nothing. And all he can do is just be negative about other people. So if you're that type of person, you definitely don't belong on this channel. So I'm going to reveal some really cool secrets to the rest of you that are trying to get meaningfully better as a trader. If you're trying to be the best trader you can be, you can definitely learn something from this live trading video. So this is the stuff I really want you to focus on as we go through this live trading video in the next 20 minutes. Number one, the stair-step strategy. I've been talking to a lot of traders, and the traders have been asking me a question. Okay, so maybe we can calculate overall where the market is going, which we've been, let's say, correct 7 out of 10 days in the last 10 trading days. But even with understanding where the market is going, people are still struggling to lock in some substantial gains. So pay very close attention to how these trades are being opened in this. Pay very close attention at the timing of the entries, okay? Make sure that you're not only looking from the standpoint of the chart, like when these trades are actually being taken at which point in the day. Very key observation is you will notice that I don't take the trade all at once with the entire trading amount, and I split the trades throughout the day. That split decision about stair-stepping into trades is not only based on what the chart is doing and the 13 markets move formula and the divergences in the chart, but it's also based on the timing of the days. There's some critical timing of the days that are pivotal key points, and if you understand what they are, it's definitely going to make your trading life easier. Now, I don't go into all the details here, so if you're definitely trying to evolve into a better trader, click the links below, take one of our courses so you can get better. Number four, very key component of the calculations for October 11th was the utilization of a move 6 in the 13 markets move formula. So you're going to be able to see how I actually utilize it to trade this crazy day yesterday, which basically resulted in a huge move higher in the market. Now, the importance of making strong foundational calculations is they're not going to let you give in to what the market is showing you temporarily. If you focus on your calculations and you stick to them till the very end, you will win more. It doesn't guarantee that you will win every battle, but you will win, guys. And so most of the traders that I talk to, they actually got the direction right, but oftentimes with the market reversing, they're not sure what to do. They're not sure how to handle certain situations like that. And guys, you absolutely have to believe in your calculations. And most of the traders, they don't. They get shaken up by the market. They don't know what the hell to do if something moves against the direction that they are planning, or if something moves immediately against them. They have no stamina, no skill to actually stay and hang in there. And it all boils down to they don't believe in their calculations enough to stay with them. So if you're going for a similar situation and noticing similar observations about yourself, then the solution is getting better calculations. If you get better at your calculations, you're going to be able to put trades like this. Even if the market is going to the moon, you're going to be able to make money on the put side. So without any further ado, here are all the details, and I'll just leave you with this thought, guys. Remember, just like everything else in life, some days are going to be easy. Some days are going to be tough. This trading day, it was tough, okay? But it was profitable. So don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. Let's roll. Hey guys, what's going on? And today is October 11th, and the market is up over 300 points. So what are we going to do? We're going to short the hell out of this market because oil is about to reverse and head lower. There's a couple of possibilities we're considering this morning, and that is clearly BKNG puts. BKNG only up on 24,000 shares of volume, up 27 bucks, guys. What a beautiful, phenomenal, freaking opportunity today on October 11th when everybody's so damn bullish. You absolutely gotta love this type of circumstances because they create phenomenal opportunities to short this market. And with that said, this is what we're gonna do. Damn it, they got some high spreads on this one, but what we are gonna do is we're basically gonna say that BKNG is going to reverse like a rock and head substantially lower. So we're going to buy 1975 puts. 1975 puts. We're going to buy 10 of them. 10 of them at $3. Let's go ahead and get a fill here. Let's go. Come on. Come on, BKNG. Done. We bought, basically we spent $3 grand on this trade, guys, buying these BKNG puts. And the trade goes immediately against us. We're losing 475 bucks. So what do we want to do? What do we want to do? We actually want to add some freaking puts here. We're going to wait just a little bit. Let's go ahead and add some more. Let's add some more puts. Let's go ahead and bought 5. We're going to add 6 more. 6 more puts at price of 2.2. We're just going to ahead and put this order in there, 2.3. Let's see if we can get a fill on that. I'm going to buy some more puts. Now they're going at $3 again. Damn it, missed a good entry. Missed a good entry on this one. Okay. Got $3 grand invested. Losing 100 bucks. Yeah, let's take a look and see what's going on here. Amazon looks like that's about to reverse. This was a really good trade today. BKNG. BKNG up on a very tiny volume. This is the area we're looking to target. And our 13 market moves daily analysis. This was the second level of entry, 29.81. So let's wait a couple more points till the market bounces here, and then we're going to short the market right there and then, while everybody is so phenomenally bullish. Come on, bulls. Go a little higher so I can short the hell out of you. Everybody's highly skeptical. Leonardo, the market does not crash. What's going on? Leonardo, you're wrong. You're wrong. You are so wrong. And yet, you're so right. So this is what we're doing, guys. We are about to take advantage of this crazy bull market. The party is about to stall out while oil is about to reverse. So We're going to fixing to add some more puts here, guys. We're going to wait just a little bit longer for the market to just maybe revisit this 29.84 level, and then we're going to strike. So far, to review the BKNG trade, losing 140 bucks, got 16 puts, 275 strike, currently trading, the stock's trading at 1989, 1991 area on a mere volume of 37,000 shares. Should end up with about 200, 300K in volume, down about 30, 40 bucks from here. This could be a beautiful trade right here. We're going to stick with it. It appears, besides me buying some puts, there's actually other people are coming in and buying puts, which is always a positive sign. So we're going to stay with this trade. Okay, so down minus 20 bucks. We definitely want to see some volume come in into the stock on the sell side. Looks like it's happening now. So we're fixing to actually start making some money in this trade. Guys, we'll do a quick follow-up shortly. Right now it's 10:09 a.m. And we're expecting a reversal in the market still, as everybody's incredibly bullish, full of hope for the trade talks, for the trade deal. We're saying there's going to be no damn deal. At 10:09 a.m., while the market is up 300 points, we're saying there's going to be no damn deal. Therefore, we're buying some puts, shorting the bounce. Let's go. Okay, guys, here we are. We are still losing 340 bucks on this BKNG trade. We're down a couple thousand earlier, but here's the deal. We are going to buy some more BKNG puts. Market looks to be reversing. We would like to add some more BKNG puts here, guys. We're looking at this level of about 1985 puts. We want to buy about 10 of them, roughly. 1980. 11, 12, 13, 1980 puts. We're going to buy 13 1980 puts, about 3.4. So that'll get us about 4,400 here. 1980 puts. Let's go. Done. So we bought at 327. We bought 1980 puts. There we are. So our total position is about 29 BKNG puts at this point. The stock bounced, and when the oil reversal took place, we jumped back into the trade when oil created a move 11. Guys, if you're unfamiliar with what is a move 11, guys, it's a very powerful top information. It helps you profit on the reversals, intraday reversals in particular. So clearly, the trade is still losing money, so you may be wondering, what the hell are you talking about, Leonardo? Intraday reversals. You're losing money on this trade. Guys, this trade is going to make a ton of money in the next 3 hours and 43 minutes. Right now, it's 12:17. It's 12:17, 12:18 p.m. on October the 11th, 2019. And this stock, BKNG, is about to drop like a rock. About 20, 30 bucks. So this trade is going to be highly profitable. If you guys trying to learn how to see these moves before they actually take place, you've got to understand the 13 markets move formula, guys. It's that simple. So let's rock. We'll follow up on this trade in the next few hours here, show you exactly what we're making on this trade. Let's go. So 2:03 p.m. BKNG puts. We are gonna raise our target right here. 1995 puts is what we're gonna buy. We're gonna buy 20 of them at 3.1. 3.1. Let's see if we can get a fill here. 3.1. Not likely, but we're gonna give it a shot. Let's go. The market is moving higher. So the asking $6. Here's all bid at 310. No takers on that. Let's try to see if we can get a fill at 17 contracts at about 3.7. 3.8 bid. Somebody's outbidding us on these. 3.8 bid. Let's go ahead and buy them at 4. Let's buy 15 of them at 4. 15 at 4. Let's try to outbid them. $4. $4. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 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 Hey, looks like we bought them. Okay, so we bought 15 contracts at $4. 1995 strike BKNG. So total now we got 15, 13, and 16. We got 29. We got basically 34, 44 contracts of BKNG. Doing this at 2:05 p.m. on a Friday, October 11th, and the position immediately goes against us, showing a loss of 7,700 for the day. Basically, still expecting a rather swift reversal lower in the next 2 hours here. Expecting BKNG to drop at least to the level of 1985, 1980. So some of the strikes we were buying earlier may not materialize, but this strike should be good. So we're going to go ahead and set a limit order to actually sell these in case of a quick, sharp sell-off. We're going to try to sell these guys at a level of $13. That'll give us a credit of 19.5. Let's go. All right, so here it is. The position is set. Let's get ready to rock. Waiting for a reversal in the market lower from here. We're expecting the market to drop at least 10 points here. With that said, BKNG should drop about $10. Put us in the money, way in the money by the end of the day, by 4 p.m. Okay, so we've got an order sitting to buy these 1995 strike. 2 more contracts at 275. Let's see if we can try to get that order filled while the stock is moving higher. No signs of an order being filled. The spread is quite a bit, so there's some market participants still expecting high probability of a drop-off later in the session today. Despite of this huge 400-point move rally in Dow today, there is a probability of a late day sell-off. It's 2:14 p.m. October 11th, 2019. We'll do a follow-up shortly, but basically, guys, the position loses a bunch of money right now. All of that could be turned around within the next hour and 45 minutes. Got 16 contracts here, 13 contracts here, and 15 contracts here. And we're trying to buy 2 more with the same strike at a cheaper price while the stock price continues to move higher. So we're adding 2 more contracts, trying to add 2 more contracts at $2.75 here. So if you see this number change to 17 contracts, then you know why.
Can't you see that I am not afraid?
Okay, guys, it's 3:45 p.m. October 11, 2019. Tough trading day. Finally, we're getting a slight spike lower. Trying to cash out some of the contracts right here in BKNG. We've got some limit orders set to try to sell some of them out. They're moving slowly. We're finally making a profit on one of the positions. The lost ones, typically the lost ad is the best ad, but it's kind of tough to cash them out right now. Slight move lower can actually get this order executed. We're buying them early at 380. Not even 1982 would get these order executed. So we got a sharp move lower now in the S&P futures that we've been waiting for. It's finally happened in the last 15 minutes of the trading session. Now we're getting a bounce. We need $5 move in BKNG shares in order to sell these contracts. Nope. Still not much stuff happening. If the kind of maybe S&P futures would dip all the way to 29.75, we can actually get that move lower. At this point, we're about $7 in the money, so that's what the contracts are technically worth. We don't want to miss the sell point, but at the same time, this move lower can come in rather rapidly. $7 move lower, so we don't want to miss out on that opportunity. because that's how you're going to make money on Fridays in the last hour of the trading session. Sometimes these moves, they come in rather rapidly, and you don't want to just panic and sell out. There's always a 5-point, especially when the market's moving slow like they are today, to the downside. But since we're getting that sell-off right into the close, we're going to wait just a little bit longer, trying to see if we can capitalize on that final move lower and finish the day strong. 11 minutes to go. It's 3:49, guys. I'm also looking at stuff on my phone, guys, so things are moving. Actually, we're going to move lower. 1984, 1988. Now the ask is 12.9, so somebody's just below my bid. Maybe we can actually get this executed at 13 bucks. Pay close attention. It may come with just a bit of a delay here. 1982, futures are selling off, selling off, selling off. 1982, come on. We just actually had an or executed. Okay, done. Okay, sold. Internet on my phone works quite a bit faster right now, guys, so you're not seeing all the actions actually taking place, but futures are selling off right into the close. Just need another move lower, like $1 lower. We'll get this executed. Got about 8 minutes to go in the trading session. We need to get this order executed now. Just another move lower, another move lower, another move lower. Come on, somebody's outbidding me again at 12.8. Okay, I'm back on track at 13. 13. Looks like we got him. No. Sold one, sold another one. Okay, you should be able to see that on the screen. Surely, I see it on my phone. The internet's super slow on my desktop right now. Come on. Another $1 drop, guys. We'll get this order executed. That'd be 300%er right at the end of the day. Let's go. Go. So we're sitting here. As you can see, the count 24,207, 23,887. So things are moving. We just need just another tiny bit drop right here. Come on, right at the area, and now bounce it. Okay, sold 1, 2, 3. So sold 3 of them at 13. We need to sell some more. Okay, 81 moving. Done. Looks like we're selling them. Sold one more. Got 10 of them left. Okay, done. Executing them. Okay, all of them are sold at 13 bucks, guys. You should be able to see that last final move right here on the screen. Now we're going to get to selling the other ones. The 1980 contracts, I'm still holding those. I'm still holding the 1980s. 1980s, we are going to be selling them right now. 1980s are going for about $1. And see, we got about 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes to go in this trading session. Close this order at $2. The 1980 contracts should be worth about $2 right now. Let's go. $2 and probably get 2.5 on these. 2.5. Okay, so that's the execution order. Just finally showed up on the screen. The 1995 contracts. Okay, let's get this done. Okay, trying to sell these 1980 contracts. Oh, 1980. They're worth quite a bit now. Dropped all the way to 1977. Nice sell-off at the end of the day. So let's see if we can get $5 on these. 4.5. I'll be happy with that. 4.5. Oh man, we can probably get 4.9 on these. Let's sell. Okay, so we are right here. The market is at the lows. Not at the lows, but it certainly made that move that we calculated earlier. So 1978.81. Trying to close out these contracts. 1978, 4.7, not working out. And get 4.5. The spread is huge. 4.6. We've got about 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go on these guys. I do see the order. I'll order at 4.9. Let's see if we can lower it maybe to 4.5 right now. 4.5. 3 minutes to go right here.
Do you know who makes the best traders? The answer is the hunters. You cannot sustain your trading account on hunting for fruits and vegetables. And what I mean by that, those trades where you go in and you're happy you made $100 or $200, and what happens the next day? You give all these mediocre gains back to the market again. If you're tired of doing that, guys, there is a lion in you that is ready to chase real trades with some real meat on the bone. If you're ready to advance your trading skills to the next level, click the link below so you can begin to trade fearlessly and put some serious meat in your trading account.
And we're going to sell the rest of them. Got 9 left of 1976 got 2 minutes and 40 seconds to go on these. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2.95. Trying to get 4.5 on these. Sure if you guys can see this or not, but 1980s we're selling these. Trying to get 4.5 on these. We should be able to get $3 on those. Okay, looks like, okay, we sold 1975 at 1.1, so we cashed out of those. All right, got 1 minute 43 seconds to go on these. 1 minute 43 seconds. Let's roll. 1 minute 43 seconds. Got 9 of these left. They are in the money. Now, it looks like I sold 2. Looks like I just sold 2. You can see the account is back above 25 here. Okay, let's see. Do I have any? I got 7 left. I got 7 left and a minute and 20 seconds to go. Okay, done. Sold. Looks like sold. Okay, I've sold all of them, guys. So we are officially, you're going to see here shortly on the screen with a delay. So basically, quick double on a tough BKNG trade. As you notice, I started stair-stepping into the trade. The ring bell is going to happen here in the next 54 seconds, but you'll see the profit and loss here for the day on these things. So basically, we lost $2,600 here. We made $15,000 here, and looks like we're going to make some money on these. Okay, so 1980 put sold them at $4. I was buying them earlier at what, $3.29. So looks like we got 20 seconds to go. Sell off into the end of the day. So 1975 target is hit. 1972. Wow, I should have stayed till the very last second on this, guys. All right, so officially we are done for the day. We could have done actually substantially better here. But the sell-off that we expected at the very end of the day, you see the last sell order on the 7 come in and appear here on the screen shortly. So I sold it right here. Boom, done. So this is what's called a move 6, guys, in our 13 markets move formula. If you're trying to figure out how to trade the markets, how to trade Fridays, basically we just locked in about a 300%er on the put side on a day where the market actually went up about 300-400 points on the Dow, where everything's been going higher like crazy all day. We actually capitalized on the put side. So there it is, guys. Live trade, tough one, but still made money. So overall, to summarize this BKNG trade, P&L for the day is 13,561, despite of the wins and losses in various strikes. Now, the most important lesson to learn for the day is the fact that as you saw the market proceed throughout the day and continue to move higher, kept drawing his 11 top move formations. Instead of buying the same strike, I kept stair-stepping in various positions with various strikes in this BKNG trade that we explained to our 13 Market Moves daily analysis earlier today. So once you understand the calculations, you need to adjust your trade as you go through the day. It really helps with switching strikes. Actually, the higher the market goes and the lower the volatility was for the day, the lower the probability in the oil reversal became, the higher strike I kept purchasing actually in the shares of BKNG. So initially I bought the 1975 strike, then I moved it to 1980, and the last strike I purchased, which was the most profitable one, was literally done 2 hours before the market closed. And that's the one that actually produced a gain of 15K. We're buying them at literally like $3 and something. We sold them at 13. So that was more like a 400% gain. But bottom line, as you see, the 1980 strike made money. The 1995 strike made the most money. The farthest out of the money strike did not make the money. Actually lost $2,620 on that one. Okay, so overall, guys, if you're trying to learn more about the strategy, because there's actually a lot of planning and calculating goes behind it, take the 13 Markets Move Formula course, take the charts, divergences, and pattern recognition course, so you can understand how to make money when things drop, even when things go higher. With that said, guys, have an awesome weekend. I'll catch you on the next trade soon.
Trading wins and losses is just like everything else in life that is worth fighting for. You remember your marriage? Man, it was beautiful when you were getting married, but you had no idea how ugly the losses of this divorce were actually going to be. Like opening a business, thinking you'd get rich overnight. But in the midst of it, you ended up maxing all of your credit cards just to sustain that business for a few years before you even realize a tiny bit of your first profits. Like buying a house, thinking it would go up in value forever and ever, just realizing how wrong you actually were when 2008 hit. Like having kids, it was such a great idea at first. Remember how excited you were, terrified and scared at the same time, how much joy you actually had. Until your kids turned 2. Man, the terrible 2s. You thought that was bad until they turned 13, 14, 15. Shit. But you wouldn't change it for anything. You love your kids, no matter what your emotional losses or wins are with them, no matter what your financial losses or wins are. It really doesn't matter, does it? You don't quit on your kids, no matter how tough things actually get. For some of us, it's the same thing with trading. Just think, how long are your kids going to be your kids? The answer is forever. How long do you see yourself trading the markets? If your answer is forever, then you owe it to yourself and your kids to invest in the 13 market moves formula, so that your life journey of trading would be most rewarding and joyful, both financially and emotionally. Live to trade, trade to live. Conquer the world one trade at a time, fearlessly using the 13 market moves formula today.